George, tingin dito. New look na si George.
Bagong buhay.
Ayun na, kita mo yun, may save more na. Ayun, etong Mega, SM na ngayon. Hehe. Sayang, wala na siya dito. Nandito kami ngayon sa food court. Ayan. O, diba? Namimiss mo na ba to? Oh, sige, naka-uniform na. Pakita mo yung ID, yung ID. Oh, naka-uniform na siya. Pakita mo.
Ito, naka-uniform na ako.
Message.
Ayan, sabay muna natin ng message. Happy first anniversary. I love you so much. I miss you, babe. Walang magbabago, ha. Ikaw.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Si George Lonely, wala na.
Ay, pakita mo naman yung buhay ko. Bagong buhay na ako. Yung hurt first.
Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God, but they get hard to be loved, love, love.
Napakasaya dito, ikaw na lang kulang. Kami tatlo na lang ang magkakasama dito ngayon. Si Aya hindi pumunta.
Dito lang ka pupunta yun.
Ano, ulitin niya.
Alam nga ako, hindi na ako pupunta yun.
Nagtampo pa kunyari si George.
Muna ako.
Bye-bye. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Miss ka na namin.
Bye, BC. I love you. Kiss, kiss ka.
Paano yung get dito? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.